Hello soldiers! In this tutorial we are going to learn about Python for loops. A for loop is used for iterating over a sequence that is either a list, a tuple, a dictionary, a set or a string. With the for loop we can execute a set of statements once for each item in a list, tuple, set, etc. So in this example you can see fruits is a list which contains items apple, banana, cherry. So we are iterating through a list here. For x in fruits print x. So it will iterate through all these items and it will print. So you can see apple, banana, cherry. Loop through a string. Even strings are iterable objects. They contain a sequence of characters. Here in this example, we took string banana and we are iterating through it. So you can see the output. We got the letters from this string. If you give space, that one will be counted as a character. So next, the break statement. With the break statement, we can stop the loop before it has looped through all the items. Here you can see exit the loop when x is banana. So here you can see here is a if statement and here is a break. We are putting our print statement before if statement, then it will print apple and banana, then it will stop the iteration. So you can see the output. But if we use print statement after if statement, it won't print banana also, it will stop iteration after apple only. So you can see the output. The continue statement. With the continue statement we can stop the current iteration of the loop and continue with the next. So in this example you can see if x equals to banana, continue. So here we are stopping the iteration at banana, so we are skipping this banana and we are moving with another cherry. So you can see the output apple, cherry. The range function. To loop through a set of code a specified number of times, we can use the range function. The range function returns a sequence of numbers starting from 0 by default and increments by 1 by default and ends at a specified number. So here you can see for x in range of 6 print x. Note that range of 6 is not the values of 0 to 6 but the values 0 to 5. So here you can see the output 0 1 2 3 4 5. The range function defaults to 0 as a starting value. However, it is possible to specify the starting value by adding a parameter range of 2, 6, which means values from 2 to 6 but not including 6. So here you can see in this example for x in range of 2, 6 print x. So here you can see we are starting from 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here also 6 is not included. The range function defaults to the increment the sequence by 1. However, it is possible to specify the increment value by adding a third parameter range of 2, 30, 3. So here 3 is a step value. That means here 2 is a starting value. First 2 will come, then 5, then 8, then 11 till 29. So you can see the output right here. Else in for loop. The else keyword in a for loop specifies a block of code to be executed when the loop is finished. Here you can see when we got the output 0 to 5, after that it will print this statement in else block. You can see finally finished. You can see the output. Note, the else block will not be executed if the loop is stopped by a break statement. Here you can see we stopped the iteration at x equals to 3. So we got the value 0, 1, 2. We won't be executed the else block. And the next one is nested loops. A nested loop is a loop inside a loop. The inner loop will be executed one time for each iteration of the outer loop. So here you can see adjective equals to the list of red, big, tasty. Fruits equals to list of apple, banana, cherry. So these two are the lists. Here for x in adjective, for y in fruits, print x comma y. So what it does, first it will iterate through red, then it comes to fruits, so it will take apple, then with the red banana, then with the red cherry, and you can see the output. It goes like this. The past statement. For loops cannot be empty, but if you for some reason have a for loop with no content, put it the past statement to avoid getting an error. So here you can see we just wrote pass, so we won't get any error. That's it for now. Meet you in next tutorial. Bye bye.